When filling out your character sheet, you might notice that the equipment section looks a little bit weird. Let's break it down. This is the so-called Anti-Hammerspace Inventory tracking system. With this system, your equipment suddenly feels tangible and part of the world instead of a line of text that can be summoned into your hand at any time. Each character can carry 6 containers. You define what each one is. A backpack, a belt pouch, a sack, a weapon sheath, and so on. Each container has 3 slots that can be filled with adventuring gear, weapons, and treasure. Some items might require more than 1 slot, such as a short sword or a longbow. Remember that items that require more than 1 slot cannot share containers. They must fit inside a single container. Most consumable items such as food, ammunition, and flasks of oil fit inside a single slot up to a sensible amount. Coins, gems, and other miscellaneous tiny objects such as a piece of chalk or similar things can be stored in a pocket, or tracked separately. Here you can also write down anything that your character is wearing, their animals, and stuff they left at home. Even though you can easily track your wealth here, your character cannot carry an infinite amount of coin. Each 1,000 coins requires 1 slot in a container. The same is true for each 1,000 coins worth of gems. Just mark the slot in a container, no need to make matters complicated. Lastly, this system doesn't track encumbrance or weigh your character down. Instead, the amount a character can carry is defined by what kind of armor they are wearing. Wearing leather armor costs 1 container, chain 2, and plate 3. This means that fully clad warriors cannot carry much treasure. But that's the beauty of the system. Decision making and worrying about where your items are. Be creative and remember to only bring the most essential tools when you are heading on your next adventure. And an empty sack or 2 for all the treasure.